Yeah, this is a nice one. This one I have a problem with the throttle. So the guy had said that he's replaced the throttle, but it's still giving the error 37 on here. And he said he's tried the throttle on here on a different Talaria bike, and it worked fine, but when he put it onto this one, it doesn't work. So so this is going to be a bit of a fault finding, and also he wants to bleed the brakes and put new fluid inside. So I'll keep you update on this bike and let you know how I get on. Yeah, so just checking out some wires here. To see what going on in this part. The throttle cable. So as you can see here. So maybe I was trying to see if I could find where the this tape started the wrapping. I think it's started wrapping from down here, but really I don't really want to take it all apart, so I'll probably start unwrapping it from maybe about here. This is some good tape. Try to get this off nicely so I can reuse it. I like this tape. It's good stuff. Put that there. Hey Siri, what's the time?
It's 11:52.
Thank you.
No problem.
Yeah, so you can see quite a few wires have been snapped. Okay, so I fixed the wires from the throttle. I haven't really taped it up properly yet. Not exactly sure what these are the wires for. I'm gonna tape them up at some point. So now the bike is working, but it keeps flashing that error 36 and then goes off. And I've seen a few stuff online where people saying it's the tip over sensor, and sometimes it can also be there's a problem with the throttle. But I've checked this, and the throttle seems to work fine because the bike is working fine. So I managed finding the problem, and I've resoldered the wires back together, and then tape it all up, and now the bike is working. Yeah, and that's my job done. So I have to end up changing the brake pads, and this literally had nothing left on those. So I put you some fresh pads in now. So I just took these pads out. There's like literally nothing on them. These are the front ones. I've already done the back ones, but as you can see, brake lever, because this has been leaking from a few different places. So you have a leak beyond here, so it looks like when it's been dropped, you damage your brake lever, and it was leaking through the screw. So I put a different screw in here, so it's not leaking through the screw anymore, but it's leaking through this part here. Look. So when I top the fluid up, it just comes pouring out. So this brake lever is no good. Yeah, so this bike is now done and ready for collection.